Hey everyone, I know it's been a while, but what is up? I have something I am super excited about and I want to make a video about this. These are the dark plates from DBrand and it's for the PS5, so I'm going to do a quick little overview over it and then I'm going to change it. So, no intro, let's just get into it. Alright, so I took it out of the shipping box and it comes in this nice black box with a plastic outside. It's got, let me see if I can, a ton of like the DBrand logos all over it. Sorry, my desk is a little messy. Did I get the right side? There we go. Really nice box for how it is. I need to go to the website, dbrand.com/how. Install. There's only one correct way, so that's good. Someone like me can't mess this up. Woo! So, this is one of the biggest things I did not like about the PS5. It's the outer shell. I also don't like the white controllers personally. I'm waiting for them to come out with the new colors. One day, sooner rather than later. Alright, so I found another video and the guy shows me how to pop it off even easier, which I just did. Alright, so we got one side off. Then they're having us do it to the other side. And I don't care what anybody says, man. Like, the PS5 is one heavy unit. Like, no joke. It's got weight to it compared to, like, my PS4, PS4 Pro, all the older ones. It just has some weight to it. Alright, that's off now. Alright, let's go back. Let's continue watching.
The faceplates have two types of latching mechanisms, a series of hooks and a pair of pegs. The hooks will guide the plates into position, and the pegs will secure the plates onto your console. Once the pegs are in the correct position, you'll hear a distinct click. Let's get started. Slide the plate onto your console using the hooks as your guide. Once all the hooks are in place, press down on the two opposing corners, then squeeze with firm pressure until you hear a click. Next,
did I not line this up right? Now I gotta pause this. Oh, that was a click. Oh, that is easy.
Be sure to rest the newly installed dark plate on the protective foam surface. Repeat the process. Slide the dark plate into position using the hooks, then press down on the two opposing corners. Finally, squeeze with firm pressure until you hear the click. If you didn't purchase a skin, you're done. For instructions on how to apply a middle...
Pause that. Let me get this side in. I gotta line up all the hooks. And then... there it is. Alright.
Keep watching.
Look at
Before
that.
getting started, wipe the middle portion of your PS5 free of dust and fingerprints.
Alright, I gotta do that.
Results, ensure you are under bright lighting.
I have bright lighting.
Each set of middle skins includes two pieces, short and long. Let's start with the long piece.
Okay, let me wipe this down. They should have given me one of those like alcohol whatever wipes that they normally send you when you're doing like a phone case protective screen. Those normally send you like an alcohol fingerprint wipe whatever. This one did not, and I feel like I do need it, but it's not a big deal.
Yeah, it's not that bad. I wonder if I have another micro cloth. I think I do. Oh, this will be fine.
bottom part.
Then line them up as shown.
Oh,
Once
shit.
aligned, apply pressure to the exposed portion, including the bottom corner. Next, peel back the 3M paper to expose the USB cutouts. Then line them up and apply pressure.
Alright, let's go back a little bit. Alright, let's pause this. So now they want me to, let's just start with this much. I wish this came out like before the PlayStation even, like before I even got the PS5, right? Because this really would have helped keep a lot of the fingerprints and it would have really protected some of the stuff on here. This side's a little off, but it lines up pretty nicely. Let's see.
Then line them up as shown. Once aligned, apply pressure to the exposed portion, including the bottom corner. Next, peel back the 3M paper to expose the USB cutouts. Then line them up and apply pressure. Continue peeling back the paper, bit by bit, lining it up and applying pressure as you go. Continue wrapping around the console until you reach the back corner.
Perfect.
Finally, let's install the short piece.
Alright, let's pause there because I'm still working on this. This wonderful long piece. Oh shit. A little bit on. Sucks being semi-perfectionist and wanting this to line up. But you know what? Even if I mess up by like a little bit, to be honest, I don't think I would even know. Now this will match all my like systems and it won't stand out. Like I understand that the reason they went with like the white plates is, you know, it makes it stand out. They make it super huge so you couldn't like put it in your console. So then now it's like the talking piece, right? Like you have it like sticking out of your shit. I get all that. I get all that. But at the same time, aesthetically, I don't like that. I'm a big matte black guy. Everything should be in black. Or gray, grayscale. I mean, white technically is part of the grayscale. There we go. Look at that. It's pretty, huh?
Remove the skin from the 3M paper. Then line it up around the middle circle. It only fits one way.
Okay.
Once lined up, smooth it out.
It only fits one way. Okay.
if you have any questions.
All right, let's finish. It's like one of those super concentrated things where I'm just like paying all my attention on. How beautiful is that? Again, wish I had this from day one, just to provide, like, you know, that extra protection on everything. But this is nice. This is so nice. You know? Beautiful. I am happy with it. If you guys are trying to get one, just go to DBrand. This is not sponsored. They didn't pay me. I bought this. I literally bought this the day it came out. I had signed up for the email for it. I'm excited to see other makers make something similar to this. I mean, when people were taking their white plates off and spray painting them and doing stuff like that, I personally didn't trust myself to spray paint it and to do cool custom designs. But now, if I buy this, you know, or I could just take my white plates, spray paint these, and not feel bad about it if I do mess up. Or I could put some cool stickers on this one, or vinyl, or whatever, you know. So I love this. I can't wait to see what other people do. I trust DBrand. I think that they did a really good job. And this isn't cheap plastic. This isn't, you know, anything ridiculous with it. Highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. And the process was easy. I just needed to figure out what to do. Yeah. Comment below. Are you guys going to be buying these dark plates for your PlayStation? I recommend it. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.